Hello, people that are watching this right now. This one was going to be called a Fedora. I'll just say that some recipes call for sugar syrup in addition to the Curaçao, but also some recipes make one or another of the rum, whiskey, or cognac the dominant base, with only a few dashes of the other two. This one, however, starts off with 1 part Curaçao. Blue. Then we got 2 parts lemon juice. I'm swiftly realizing that I should have started off with the small part of the jigger. We got 3 parts gold rum. 3 parts whiskey.
That's rough. Is it even gonna fit?
And finally 2 parts of cognac. It's clearly been a while since I made a drink video. There's no way that I should have done this with like the large part of the jigger. This is very many shots. But it's 8 shots of liquor and a shot of liqueur.
Good God.
But once you start off with the lemon and the Curaçao, you don't want to ruin it. It's also so much. I really hope it's tasty. It's super weird looking.
Ooh, it's like kind of, how do you say it?
Like opaque.
Yeah.
Add some ice to this. Shake up this massive amount of liquid.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we'll need a pint glass.
Oh, how about this boy?
Oh, it doesn't even fill that up.
Yeah.
But this entire thing full of
6 shots.
basically hard liquor straight with a little bit of lemon juice would be a death sentence, probably. It smells okay. It smells pretty good, actually.
It smells islandy.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all, actually. It's really smooth.
It's fine. I just wish I had a lot less of it.
Oh no.
Yep. Wish me luck, and I'll see you next when I recover. Oh yeah, like and subscribe.